Hello, today we have a53 4G. We need to replace the screen. First we start heating the phone. This is the new screen. Okay, after we heat the phone, looks like this is glass. You have to be very careful. We need to get a razor. We just get some player cards so we can put it here and go around it. Okay, here we go. Now we have to take it apart. Before we start, let's take out the SIM card. SIM card is located on top. No SIM card. SIM tray. Okay, we just get this one, this one, this one, this one. We remove all the screws. The top screws. One more. All right, now we will remove the plastic, and we remove the speaker and the plastic in the front. We remove the battery. There is a small black screw here, we have to remove it, and then that's it. Voila. And another black screw at the bottom. The fingerprint we disconnected. Ooh, look at this. This is coming from the, it's like this connector, we have to remove it. It's coming from the screen. Great. Which is this one, but why is giving us a hard problem? I don't know. Giving us hard time, I think. Okay, we got it out. Now I have a problem because I remove it very quick. Looks like this one got little bit, or I have to order another one, or probably I can fix it. I will see if I can fix it. All right, I just need to remove the battery. Let me heat it a little bit. We'll go back. Okay, let's remove the battery now. You just try to pull here Alright, scan. There we go. Next. I'll put back this one. And okay, we have two black screws. We have to put them. Let's put them. One here and one for the charging port. We have to put the antenna right above each other. Done this part. Now the next part is earlier I messed up the connector, so I need to try to fix it. Or I have to buy a new one. I will see. We'll see if it's gonna take it. Let's see. Looks like it worked. Hopefully it... Nah. Not really. This is the screen connector. So let's try one more time. Okay, everything is working fine except this one. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe not. Let's try to secure it, so because it's barely working. If it's not, I have to buy this connector. It's not very expensive, maybe like 10 bucks, but customer have to wait. Let's connect this and try to turn it on. Probably it's gonna work. Nope, didn't work. Let me see if it's taking charge. Yeah, it's taking charge. So basically, guys, you have to learn from my mistake. I broke this part, so I have to wait now for it. Anyway, after, if you didn't break it yourself, the connector, just put the screen back this one and it's done. That's it. It's really easy. All right, we'll see you in next video. Thanks.